they've been soaking for, our instruments have been soaking for 10 minutes. So we're gonna go ahead and gently open this up. Again, we're gonna lift it up. And I'm like putting it right on the corner so I can finish off. We're gonna go ahead and move it to the ultrasonic cleaner. So first you wanna make sure that it's not on, so you're able to go ahead and open it up. And you're gonna go ahead and just lift it. And then here, gently grab it. And I like bringing this to the sink, so it makes it for easier transfer. I'm gonna go ahead and grab all the instruments. Again, you wanna be very careful. And scissors always open. We're gonna go ahead and put this in here. Careful so you don't splash yourself. We are done with this, so we can go ahead and put it back in there and close it. And then we're gonna go ahead and place this on here. Now this is gonna be the temperature side, and then this is the timer. For the amount of instruments that we have in there, this should be run for about 10 minutes. So first we wanna make sure that the temperature is on. So we're gonna go ahead and turn it on. Once it's blinking and the light is on, that means the temperature is on. Now we're gonna go ahead and adjust the minutes. This is to add time. This is to take time off. We're gonna go ahead and put it to the 10. And then once we hit on, it's gonna start to make a really loud noise. So try to run it when we don't have a lot of patients, unless you really have to, because it is pretty noisy. So I'm gonna go ahead and start it.
Before you started, how much longer would we put it if there was twice the number of instruments?
We will run it for 20 minutes. And if we were to have half the amount of instruments, we would run it for 5 minutes.
Perfect.